Question number 1, Erica is asking, how do I make a website? There are several steps for creation of a website. In the first place, you need to decide what platform are you going to use to create your website. You have two large choices. Choice number 1 is to launch your website on an existent marketplace. And choice number 2 is to build a standalone website that is not on an existent marketplace. Two largest marketplaces available right now are Amazon and Etsy. And mostly used platforms to build a standalone e-commerce site are Shopify, WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, with Shopify being the best one as far as my professional experience goes. It is best integrated in all the applications and in all social media, and performs the best in comparison to all others. The question is which one to take. So you are starting out. Which one do you take? Are you going to a marketplace, as Amazon or Etsy, or are you going to open your own? At the end of the day, you can open both. But in the very beginning, you want to focus on one. I would not recommend to start two at the same time because each of them is work and you need to put this diligent work into the website to develop it. So choose one. And which one do you choose? It depends on how comfortable you are with marketing. If you do not have a lot of marketing knowledge and you do not know much about advertisement, leveraging the platform, the existent marketplace, is a good choice. You're going to Amazon and Etsy, and both are coming with a built-in traffic engine that is cost per click advertisement, CPC advertisement. You are basically opening your shop, and at a certain point in time, starting from the very beginning or after a taste phase, you can turn on the CPC, and the Etsy, the platform, will bring traffic to your site. On the other hand, if you feel comfortable about marketing and you feel comfortable about advertisement, you can open a standalone site on Shopify, but you need to know that at the moment that you open a Shopify site, you are the traffic boss, so to speak, and you need to make sure that your marketing efforts bring unique visitors to your website. So this responsibility will be there. There are, of course, pros and cons for both, but I think the marketing consideration, this easiness consideration is the first one, because when you are opening on Etsy or Amazon, you're basically leveraging an existing body of customers that they already have, and they're bringing customers to your store. You will still need to make sure that your offer is good. So there is testing involved. There are several steps involved, there's work involved, but at the end of the day, you are on the marketplace where there are a lot of existing customers, and those customers, some of them will visit your store. If you're on Shopify, there are no customers on your Shopify, you're building everything from scratch. You cannot leverage anything if you're starting from scratch. So at the moment that you've chosen what to do, where to go on the existing platform, sales platform, or to build a standalone site, this is where you go and purchase your custom domain from a domain registrar like, for example, GoDaddy. And